All right, Maximus Analysis here for April 8th, 2015, Fed Day. Pretty much was very, very sideways for the entire day. And again, people looking at the Fed as a buy signal only. Don't be lazy. Let's look and see what's going on. Again, I want some closes above this level. I want it ideally above 2090 to see kind of some action going on, because today was pretty much just very, very sideways. If go to an intraday chart, I'll just do a 30-minute, and you could see how volatile this time is. So they're going to need to hold these 2064, 2062 levels for sure. But again, it's just sideways right now. So I'm just kind of, I need somebody to show their hand, and I'm not willing to step in front of the big boys and try to guess per se. So again, I'm still keeping my powder dry, day trading currently, and go from there. NQ had some better action, quite honestly. Volume, not much we want to see, but again, it still needs to break above these levels and continue. But we want to see this volume increase and some closes above this to see if we're going to go back to take out recent highs. We got the YM again. That didn't really do much today. Again, Apple was down about 40 cents, nothing crazy. But we saw some tech names really gave some good price action. But again, it wasn't just to hold them up while they're selling into it. We just have to see again continue. IWM small caps. Now again, it's probably the best looking chart out of it. Volume is anemic, by the way, but again, it's still going higher. Let's look at a couple names. We got Apple. Apple still giving the lower highs, higher lows, so you're going to really want to see how this one pops out. Is it going to be this way, or is it going to be this way? We shall see. So again, we'll see exactly how this one plays out. We have GoPro just sideways right now after this horrific move. Volume is nowhere, so again, I would not be looking to do much. I would probably be looking for another name, but you can see it's in a confirmed downtrend, and I would keep looking at it as that. Bank of America doesn't really look that good. Again, it breaks down below here. It looks like, again, it's not the best short. I would like for it to actually retrace more up, but it's definitely something to consider. Also, Google looks like a short could be setting up. Breaks below these lows. Goldman Sachs, again, another Dow component, huge Dow component, again, was just giving you some light action today. So we just see where it follows up tomorrow. No big deal. You have USO gave a good pivot on the crude contract. So again, if this pivot can hold and it continues to go down, this could definitely be a nice pivot to continue to the downside. It's in a confirmed downtrend, so that's how we're going to treat it. Again, people are looking to pick bottoms. Why do that? It's just much easier trades out there. This might be a setup that people do like. Price line, if it breaks above here, you know, this high, a couple inside bars, and see if it can break to the upside would definitely be something that would be enticing to some people. Again, you also have Twitter. Twitter, you know, gave back some, but again, still in a good move, and I would not be looking to short this name, especially like this in this price action. You short downtrending stock, you go long uptrending stocks. It's not easy, but I would say that would be your initial rule with trading, can help you kind of get yourself out of a lot of trouble. Netflix had a huge day today. It was up about 17. So again, I don't know if they were just holding that up, or that is pretty much a majority of the NQ action, because remember that Apple is not in the NQ anymore. It is in the YM. It's actually comical to see Apple is a consumer good. And you also have, again, you have the same price action for Amazon, gave a pretty good day. So again, the tech names kind of had a real good jolt today, but the S&P is still at critical levels. And again, this could be something that could be, you know, I would want to see these highs kind of just be broken and get above there first, or do something similar to this, come and break, and then give us a nice move to the. But again, it's starting to really, I mean, if you really kind of take a look at what's going on here, you can see that, you know, we haven't really been moving that much at all. I mean, you take this price action, again, you see the higher lows in place from here. You can't discount them, but you could just see that the price action has been very, very sideways for a while. You see, you have it going here, you had it sideways for here, broke above, came back in, which we prefer not to happen, and then going sideways again. I want to see a break above here. I do not need to be a hero. I suggest you keep it powder dry if you're not looking at shorter time frames. Take care.